What I'm wearing is what I had in mind. Like, what even is this? You guys remember when these were hot? She's a little hefty mama. You just chilling? Okay, sir. You just chill there. Hey, my boogie, you're my best friend in the world. You're my best friend in the world. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a really long time since I vlogged. It has been. I actually took a break from vlogging. My videos have kind of been like not consistent every week. I just needed a break. I am just exhausted. I do have a 40-hour-a-week full-time job, so I do have to actually work Monday through Friday, which sucks, but it's cool and it's what I gotta do for the minute. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. I'd love it if you would subscribe. We can be friends. So actually today I am packing. I'm going on a trip, but first I need to style my outfits because how am I gonna pack if I don't know what I'm gonna wear? So let's get to that. Just so you guys know, I have lights in here so it won't be so dark. So you are going to see the reflections on my glasses because they are anti-blue light or whatever it's called. Anyways, I don't know if this is like a good view of the fit. I don't think so because I need to be able to show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, this is a much better angle. Oh, can I show you guys? Can I show you guys in the mirror? Nope. So this is my current outfit. It's 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. on Friday. I leave on Sunday. And this is my lounge wear, you know? But I do think I might make an outfit with this hoodie because I'm going somewhere that's still kind of cold. I think I'm just gonna show you guys on the mirror. It's just the easiest thing to do. Okay, so first outfit I have in mind, I'm thinking airport vibes. I'm thinking rest of the day vibes. So I haven't told you guys where we're going. Me and my friend, we're heading down to South Lake Tahoe. This is my first time. I've never been, and I'm going with my friend. Her name is Roxy. It's her birthday. She invited me, so I am joining her. So let's get in our airport vibe. I'll show you guys outfit number one right now. All right, guys, so this is my airport outfit that I'm going to be trying on right now. So pretty much it's an all black, which is super sleek. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I envision making it more like fancy wancy if we go to dinner on the same day or something. Okay, let me show you. This is the airport outfit. It is so cute. Let me move this bench. I use this as a nightstand. This is a book I'm currently reading. I've been reading it since December and I'm barely making a dent in it, but love it. Anyways, this is my airport outfit and I think it's super cute. I just don't want my fucking light to show. Whatever. Love the all black look. Now let me show you guys how I plan to you know, make it a little bit more fancy if we go anywhere and still be able to wear this. I could still wear this. It's not bad. It's Tahoe. But just want to show you guys what other thing I could do with this outfit real quick. So this trench coat is what I had in mind. I think this looks super cute, even with the turtleneck underneath still. Like, it's super cute. Just like added layers, some added warmth. And this isn't like poofy or anything, so it's easy to pack. So that's outfit one, day one. Okay, next outfit. This is not outfit number two, but I just wanted to show you guys what you look like when you're styling and it just doesn't go as planned. We all been there, right? Like, just look at this hideous outfit. This is not what it looked like in my mind. I look like a thug. Like, what even is this? Okay, let's change. Okay, this one, you see the beanie, right? This one's like, feels like maybe it's, first of all, there's a lot of color schemes going on. This is a cream cropped sweater, and then this is like a gray crop, and just some baggy denim black jeans with my my Nike Air Force ones, which are really dirty. I need new ones, but I just refuse to buy another pair. Can we get on to the next shoe? And no, on the New Balances, I don't like them at all. But this is a contender, but it feels like it might be. Like, this feels like it doesn't match for some reason, but I feel like it does. And then the beanies to keep me warm because it's gonna be cold out there. So I think this is cute, but it feels like too cash. I don't know, but it is just like South Lake Tahoe, you know what I mean? I think this might be one of them. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted to wear my Converse, but they look so clean and new. I'm not ready to possibly get them dirty. I don't know. I like this outfit though, so I might take it with me as, you know, as an option. Next, all right guys, here's another one that I'm like iffy. I feel like I can make it work, but something's off. Let me tell you what I think is off. I'm like almost there, but it's just not all quite there. Well, let me show you guys how it looks like without the flannel layer. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the flannel. I just feel like the sweater, like, yeah, oversized is cool, but it just doesn't look good all the time. Like, this one's kind of too baggy in my opinion, so I don't know if this is working. Also, the shoes, I know I want to wear jeans like these, but the shoes, like, this doesn't look good. Let me try some non-platform Converse. Let me try those. All right guys, here's the updated outfit. Now I'm having a hard time like envisioning it because I'm like not ready. It's like almost 11 p.m. and I'm tired. I want to go to bed, but this is the third outfit I think we're on. The third outfit. Still wearing the same jeans. As you can see, I changed the hoodie. It was just too baggy, and I just put a black long sleeve. I rolled up the pants, and it actually doesn't look bad with these. It actually looks cute. And then I just have a sweater underneath, a hoodie, and yeah. I actually really like this outfit. It's like casual, but I know like when I have makeup and my hair is really nice and done, like it won't look too casual. You know what I mean? That's the next outfit. I'm trying so hard to only wear one pair of shoes, and I already have 3 different shoes I'm wearing, but it's just like, that's just how my outfits roll. I need a bunch of shoes. I think I need one more outfit for the time that we're gonna be there, because the next day is going to be the day that I fly back, and then I can just rewear my airport outfit or something like that. So let's do the last outfit. Alrighty guys, this is the last outfit. I realized that I actually didn't need another outfit, but I'm gonna take a spare outfit because who knows if I change my mind. This is gonna be another one. It's just like these, like the loose flowing pants, which I've been so obsessed with. Gen Z calls them flared leggings, but we all know they are yoga pants. So this is what I'm gonna wear maybe one of the days. I'm just so unhappy with my Air Forces. Like, they're so bad. I need new ones, but I can't. I don't want to buy another pair. So yeah, that is the last of the outfit, and I just need to bring like one good heavy duty jacket just in case it's colder than I'm imagining. I think I'm gonna take this one. Now let's pack. Gotta get my thing. It's under here somewhere. Do you guys remember when these were popping? Like, these were the Nike Air Force Ones. What was that, like 2016, 2017? Good times. Okay, here is mine. I feel weird about putting this on my bed. It feels underneath and dusty. Let me dust it off. Alright, so this is what my suitcase looks like. I'm just gonna pack everything in right now. I am having an issue with this one. It like is kind of too big. You know what? I'm gonna leave this as the last thing because how the heck am I gonna fit shoes in here? Like, I just don't see it happening. And I had extra clothes. I need to pack my pajamas. What am I thinking? So I had extras that I wanted to bring, like my big jacket. Like, should I bring a carry-on? I think so. And then I had pajamas, my Dunder Mifflin hat, and then some extra warm clothes just in case it's too cold. Am I overpacking? I'm only gonna be there Sunday through Wednesday. Tell me the truth. Should I bring a carry-on? I'm just gonna bring a carry-on. You guys, I really don't want to overpack, and I don't want to bring a carry-on. I'm in the bathroom. I'm grabbing everything I need, but I won't forget it. I'm gonna take these shampoo samples that I got from Sephora. Alright guys, here's like a little overview. This is not including makeup though. I want to be able to stick all of my products in here. They're not travel size, they're just like my regular product. And then I want, can I take these sizes? Right, I can take like regular size products, right? And the under the plane, right? I'm like confused for a second. And then the Cetaphil, this is also full size, and I want to fit all my skincare in just here and all my makeup in here, but then the brushes are gonna be the problem. So let's see.
I saw you walking in the street one day. It was Sunday. You had flowers in your hand. You were dancing with your sounding cute.
Okay, so I just left the 3 big items out, and I'm just gonna put those in here because I still have space for that stuff. So okay, so I ended up dropping the Nike Air Force Ones, so I'm down a shoe. They just are so beat up and it's just not gonna look cute. So this actually comes clicked on here. I think I'm actually gonna put my makeup on here. That would be almost it. So let's do that. I think it'll fit in here with brushes because I don't plan to bring full glam, so I should be fine. All right, guys, it looks like everything's packed. I'm gonna end up wearing that jacket with me on the plane because it's just like jam-packed in here. So I'm gonna close this. This is everything I'm taking. And she's a little hefty mama. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, for watching my pack with me vlog. I hope to see you guys down in the comments, or if you are new here, just subscribe. Let's be friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.
We can count all the stars in the sky as they pass by your face. Take a trip up to Mars, hold you tight in my arms all the way. First time out of space.